Hello everybody, welcome to Jake Dam Videos. And today we got another budgie recently. His name is Bilbo. I've done a video with Beaks and Louie. I haven't done with Bilbo yet. I named him Bilbo just for a few reasons. He's really brave. He's not scared of anything, even things that are like bigger than him. He isn't scared of literally anything. He's really small, smaller than the other budgies here. And he likes being on camera. He likes it. Do you, Bilbo, you like it? I'm just gonna get a few shots of him. Bilbo? Yes, I know that you like the camera a lot. Oh, how are you, Beaks? I haven't said how are you to me. Oh, you want the attention of the camera, do you?
Yeah. Come on, baby. A good girl. Yeah, it's a girl.
Oh, did you say how do you beat? How do you beat? Well, that's a good boy. Okay. And another reason, yeah, I named Bilbo because he's small and fearless. He literally isn't scared of anything, even budgies that are bigger than him. Oh, you really want the camera, do you, Beaks? His name Bilbo is actually from the Lord of the Rings and the Hobbit movies. So,
You guys keep an eye on Matthew, okay?
Daddy, doesn't help. Whoa! What's wrong? Is something wrong? Don't forget to like and subscribe.